Hi naman kayo sa vlog ko! What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel! So, shift is over and I had to rest my eyes from all the work that I did earlier today. And I am craving for something, and really I haven't eaten this for a longest time. I cannot imagine eating this again. Char. So guys, if you're curious as to what are we gonna do, char, it's in the title. You already know what it is. You already know what I'm talking about. But yeah, we're gonna do a mukbang with my favorite Korean dish from a very particular store. So when we were still doing our work in the office, we usually order these stuff whenever we feel like it, or if my manager wants to eat, then I go with her and order ahead. Right. So guys, I hope you have fun watching me eating this food, because I terribly miss this one. My god. Whew. Okay, I'm just too excited. I'm just waiting for it to arrive. So that's it. If you guys want to have some fun watching me eat those dishes, then keep on watching.
Dorayyy TV.
Hi guys! So, our food is here. And nasayo ko order sa isa. Instead of ordering kimbap, I ended up ordering bibimbap. Ay, nako. Anyway, I still love this. And I'm gonna eat. And let's go. Wait. Ako cellphone, please. I layo. Telephone, please. Thank you. Love you mucho. We're gonna answer some questions while eating. Yay! Clap your hands, everybody. So, our food is tteokbokki. Here, tteokbokki. And the bibimbap, of course. We have some kimchi and some dumplings. Yay! Wait, papakita ko sa inyo yung dumplings. It's a fried pork langga. Here, yay! So we're gonna open our food and let's start eating. I really love their handy openers.
Ako magpuan ka anak ko. Tanda na, hugaw. Yak! Egg na.
Yes, egg.
Hindi ko ganahin ng vegetables.
Okay. Yup.
Ano saan eh?
Kimchi ga, kimchi. Halang na.
Yak. Ganang halang.
Okay, so let's choose our first question. First, unsay pinaka-hate nimo na foods, tapos pinaka-like pod nimo na food? Well, to answer your question, obviously, I love Korean food. This is my most favorite, tteokbokki and samgyeopsal and the kimbap. Well, I also love this, but I just prefer the kimbap over the bibimbap. I have my reasons. I cannot tell you. And let's start eating. Go na, Ino. Go ahead, go. Okay.
Ano saan na?
Ha?
Ano ba?
That's fish cake. Halang. Want some? So, tteokbokki consists of rice cakes, fish cakes, egg, your gochujang sauce, and cheese. Told you, it's halang. Amazing. I love this. You can't see my food. I'm so sorry. But this is kimchi.
Yan na kamay. Alang na sa cheesecake.
Minsan eh.
Cheese, fish cake, and rice cake. Can see. Don't worry. Chopstick lang mo makita.
Mga dagat na. Normal egg granny.
Let's start mixing our bibimbap. I was craving for the kimbap, but I don't have anything to do with it na because napalit na. This is quite halang, but yeah. Oh no. Here.
No, deko.
Teka? Okay.
True na yung ka nga vlogger. Ano ka pa na-add din sa sulod eh?
Mga to?
Ano yung sama?
Cheese namin gikuha.
Wala na cheese. Cheesecake ra din na adin ha?
Fish cake,
fish
rice cake.
Then, unsa pa man?
Mga to, fish cake, rice cake, o egg, o cheese.
Anyway, para sa egg. Dali ka nagsusoy.
Hindi mo kaya halang, di ba? Next question. Bakit may mga taong gusto kang hilain pababa kahit kadugo mo pa? There's just the thing that we call jealousy, Mama Japs. And hindi talaga maiwasan yan. So, advice ko lang sa'yo, huwag ka lang papa-apekto. Ayan.
Share ka ni nagkakaon. Naluto ba ni? Share ka ni nagkakaon ba? Wala naman lunch? Ako na.
Dinner, yes.
Dinner?
This is my dinner da. Hafta? Wow. I love additional egg. Yee. Wow. Additional egg. Yay, for our bimbap. Thank you, ga. Dili ka ne? Ngit-ngit. Di na ka ne?
Asa?
Kane?
Kanahin ko sa egg.
Kuha lang yan dali ha. Let's continue our mukbang session, Char.
Mukbang din na?
Mukbang. Hindi sila makakita sa food. Kayo.
Yan na. Hindi naman na?
Oh my gosh. Struggle is real. So, yep, here's the bibimbap. Kami, no? Told you. Here. This is a new backdrop because I'm actually shooting in our living room with our mini table set up here. Ang nandito sa side ko are the fishes and my nephew. You can see his hand. There you go. He's speaking. So, let's continue our eating session.
Natuningon ka pintik-pintik.
This is one of the food that I really miss during the party for the last 6 months.
6
Precisely, precisely, 5 months, 6 months, whatever. Precisely from Pokemon. I really miss this guy. Lapit ko na lang mukha ko sa pagkain kasi yun yung makikita yung food ko kanina. Daddy! 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 Hi! Bakit may mga tao na grabe makapagmaliit? Yun. They think so highly of themselves kasi. Kasi kala nila, sila na yung magaling, sila na yung maganda, sila na yung gwapo, sila na yung ganito, ganyan. Kahit di naman totoo. Yun yun. Thank you. Bad kay kagaboy. Ay, Ino. Say hi to the camera, Ino. I don't think I can finish my food, but laban. Laban. How do you handle bashers? Bashers are those people that don't have a life. Char. Bashers are those people na parang you've got something na wala sila. Wala sila anak. So how do I handle them? I ignore them because I have a life.
Like.
Wow, like daw ninyo ang video. Diba? Kaon sa tabi din naman kaon, babe. Busog na ka?
Yeah.
Ha? Busog na ka? Ako na lang din mag-finish yan eh. Next question. How many years na kayo ng boyfriend mo? Ay! Ano? Daddy? Pila na daw ta ka years? Pila na daw ta ka years?
Ayan.
Nainangutan na.
10 years, going 11.
Yeah, 10 years going 11, guys. Oh, a decade na kami nagsasama nitong isang to. Say hi.
Hi, vlog!
Hi. Welcome to my guys.
It's my first.
So, okay, another question, guys. I have tons of questions here. Wala dyan ako na-include with the food because I already finished it. So, here's another one. Ngano ni start ka o vlog, baby? Or why did I started vlogging? My main reason before... The main reason that I started vlogging is because I wanted to record or to film my memories and store it in a platform wherein I can view it always to go back with the happy memories, even the bitter ones if I have. So there, that's my main reason why I did vlogging in the first place. And here's another one. Do you see yourself mag-vlog Japon bisag na naka family pohon? Yes, I do. I actually wanted to share my journey with you guys in this platform and to everyone who believed in me, even if others did not. Yes. Alright, so we're done eating Korean food. Now it's time for dessert. Yes, we're eating cookies and cream, the ice cream, which is their favorite. So we have to continue answering those questions. Pasok, Char. Okay, question number. Charot, wala ko nag-count sa questions, no? So, here's another question. Do you see yourself mag-vlog gihapon bisag naa na kay family pohon? Yes, of course, because I want to share my journey with you guys. Diba?
Yeah!
Yes! 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 Yes, girl! Yes! Next! Career or love? Career, syempre, magpadato sa tao sa mag-love-love, no? Wala, nahilom siya. Wa ako nagkaon. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Honge!
Net! Bugnaw kayo.
Dawa, uy.
Next question.
Ano to? Question?
Question.
Okay, next! Why nag-vlog ka given people nowadays mo judge ni mo dili lang sa imong content kundi ha sa personal life ni mo apilon man? I started vlogging sa ako nang ginang-ingon kaganiha. I started vlogging because I wanted to share half a piece of my life with you guys and to look back to all the memories that I made for the year. Magina siya reason nga nung nag-YouTube ko or nag-vlog ko in the first place. So, if na may pakingon ng mga tao or ubang tao about me, I do not care as long as ang mga nakailan ako, kay ba kung unsa ko, kung kinsa ko. Di ba yun, no?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Yes, agad na siya. Sabi niya, pa mga cosplay na ako, be. Nakaipangutan na ako, be. Kuya naman, kagipangutan na ako. Ganina ang ito. Nakagipangutan na ganina. Naa. Kanus ang ako. Ano sa na ako sweldo? Secret. Inyo pa lang kung ano.
Inay kayo mo mga friends.
Nakalagas na kung ano ko nung nabago kong specs. Nagbago kong specs. Kanya akong eyeglass ba? Kaya nagtinanga man. Nawa man. Nawa man ang old glasses mo. Nagpag-glasses na nabago. Hindi naman makita. Nawa naman kuha. Hindi ko kita asa. Huh?
Yes.
Naka-remember ko mo itong vlog na ako about sa mga isda.
Yes. Hapit na 1,000 subscribers.
Isda oy, dili akong subscribers.
Naman ang isda na ako.
Ang hapit na daw mag 1,000 subscribers yung isda ko, no? Anyway, na-addition to the family. And siguro akong mapakita ang clips ninyo. Insert natin. Try natin insert. Message. Message.
Muna nagtaka na ng message. Oh.
There. So, kumo time, prayer time na mo ron with the home of crowns.
Okay.
So here, I'm in the live stream of Ate Verby. You can't see it. Yeah, kana. Na ako sa live stream na Ate Verby for the prayer time. Kada na, prayer time. HOC fam. Or balay sa mga payaso na fam. Yeah. Kuha. Someone seeking in my food. Okay.
Eat. Yummy.
Yummy!
Darap sa din he. Ganang pakitag yung now.
Nauwaw doon siya.
Is? Wala nilinig cookies ako.
Alaghan?
Kuha pa na balik. Kaang balik.
Gab.
Fresh fruits na siya.
So, tangi din ninyo guys. Promotan ako no. Naaday mi. Manayaw din yung tulo.
Yay.
I will upload it in my vlog soon. Ni-challenge na ko and I urge them to join me. Yes. So, nanasad mo yung makitaan nga dance craze
Sa mi
from
makakita.
Dorayyy TV.
Makakita sa mi og 100 pesos.
Hi naman kayo sa vlog ko.
Hello! Hello po! Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes.
Yeah.
Follow me on my YouTube channel, Kuya Kai. And marami tayong mga gagawin.
Yan!
Ako guys, abangan niyo po ako sa Investigador.
Representing
Ako,
Rebelding Dikya fam!
Subscribe po kayo sa akin. GMA Affairs. Mag-go na.
Ayan. And that's it for our mukbang today. Don't forget to you know,
To subscribe and like.
and comment down if you have any suggestions or you want me to do something, Channeling Cebu, just comment down, okay? Thank you so much for your undying support.